Let's create smart collection using product tags. From your Shopify store, open Excelify application. Go to the bottom of the page. There you can find template. Download it and open. Then go to the Smart Collections sheet and copy the data. You can copy everything or just titles of the columns. Create new workbook and paste the data here. Remember to rename the sheet to Smart Collections. Then delete unnecessary rows. We will create only one Smart Collection. You can remove handle. Choose comment from the drop-down as new. Specify Smart Collection title and description. Choose sort order, for example alphabet. Updated add and published add values can be deleted. Set primary row true. Set image source and image alt text. And then choose product column as tag, relation equals, and condition private. And you can remove meta fields if they are not needed at this moment. So this collection will gather all products from your store that have tag equals private. Now save your workbook. Let's say add smart collection, and you can close all Excel workbooks. And now go back to the application, to the import section, upload the file what you just created, and import it by pressing on this import blue button. So you see that one smart collection will be imported. When the import will be done, let's check how this look from the admin side. Go to Products Collections. Here you can see newly added collection, and there are 3 products added dynamically.